Hi, Miss Jessica here, and I am going to go through some of our grading policies for this course for bioethics, just to make sure things are clear and the criteria that we're assessing you on is clear and you know where to look for that. So I'm just going to start by going through our first module. So you can see here is a list of the assignments and activities. Everything that has a date and a point value is something that expect something to be submitted. And we have a variety of different things here. Every assignment, every formative assignment is worth 10 points, as well as the unit reflection is also worth 10 points. And the summative assessments are worth a variety of different, some variation somewhere between 20 and 40 points depending on the assignment and the unit. And those will be here, so you can kind of see that. For each individual assignment, we've associated specific outcomes, what we want you to be able to do and show during that assignment. Some of these are general. For example, every plunge-in will have very similar, if not exactly the same, outcomes associated with them. So we'll look at those real quick. So a plunge-in, here's the activity. And if you scroll down to the bottom, we have the outcomes we want you to do. This is what we're looking for. We want you to you can read these. I'm not going to read them to you, but basically we're looking for you to do these two things. And we will be giving you a holistic grade based off of how well you do those two things out of 10, and we'll be giving you feedback based on those two things. So that you'll find in our grading system. So that's one example, and all of those should look pretty similar. In addition, we have a similarly general discussion rubric here. So sort of what are the things we're looking for in discussions? And this should start to look familiar to you. And again, any feedback, we'll give you a grade based on how well you do these things, and we'll give you specific feedback on how well you do those things. Most assignments will have specific outcomes that are specific for that assignment. So we have a general outcome, we have a general rubric for plunge-in activities, a general rubric for some discussions, but then some of our assignments have specific criteria associated with our course that we'll be looking for. And you'll find those down here at the bottom of every assignment. And those are those are our course outcomes. That's what we're looking for. And we will, again, give you feedback based on these outcomes. And the point value will be out of 10. On some assignments, you will see something a little different. You are going to see these like weird random points associated with, here, I'll move that out of the way, associated with each one of these outcomes. So here's a list of outcomes that we want you to achieve and that we're looking for in your assignment. This assignment is worth 30 points. Okay, great. Says that up here. I know that. This is what my teachers are looking for. And there's all these like 5 points all over the place. And that seems to say that each one of these is worth 5 points individually. That is not necessarily the case. We are grading you out of 30. That's the holistic grade. If you add up all these points, there's actually, I think, 35. So obviously that doesn't match. So what you need to do is understand that these point values is something that is associated with Canvas system, but we're not giving each of these 5 points. We will give you feedback based on these criteria, so you will understand what grade you got and why you got it, but we're not going to be giving you 4 points here, 3 points here, 2 points here. We're going to be giving you a holistic grade. Okay, so, and again, you will totally understand where that grade came from because we are going to explain that to you. And anytime you don't understand, please feel free to contact your instructor. But these points over here, it's just like a weird glitch in the system that we have to pay attention to. I've been talking for a while. I hope that is helpful. Please send any questions to your instructor. We're happy to answer them, and we will look forward to having a great year and evaluating your work. Thank you.